Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to use rules to calculate first of a variable in given grammar. In my previous 3 videos I have shown how using generalized method you can calculate first of a variable for given grammar. Okay, if you haven't watched those previous 3 videos, you can watch them so that you can easily understand how I am forming rules to calculate first of a variable for given grammar. Fine. So we will discuss 3 rules one by one. Let's see rule number 1. Rule number 1, just a moment. Rule number 1 is first of a terminal is itself. Suppose you have been given as driving T and T is a single terminal. So definitely first of S would be first of T and that would be first of T equal. Okay, so for a given single terminals, first of that terminal would be itself. And rule number 2, suppose you have been given as drives AB, CD and up to so many terms up to XZ, then first of S would be union of all terms. It means first of AB union, first of CD union and up to all terms YZ. What does it mean? It means first of S would be union of all these terms. Okay, fine. Now see rule number 3. Okay, in order to understand rule number 3 you need to watch this video carefully. Suppose you have been given X drives Y1, Y2, Y3 where X is a variable, Y1 is a variable, Y2 is a variable and Y3 is a variable. In that case first of X would be first of Y1. When this case will be followed if first of Y1 does not contain epsilon. So what you need to do, first of all you need to calculate first of Y1 and you need to observe if first of Y1 does not contain epsilon, in that case first of X would be first of Y1. Okay, and it might happen first of Y1 contains epsilon. In that case first of X would be first of Y1 minus epsilon union remaining terms first of Y2, Y3. So this case is followed when first of Y1 does not contain epsilon. If first of Y1 contains epsilon, in that case rules will be followed. This one, first of X equal first of Y1 minus epsilon union remaining terms, that means first of Y2, Y3. In same way we will calculate first of Y2 and Y3. How? First of Y2, Y3 equal first of Y2 if first of Y2 does not contain epsilon. If it contains epsilon, in that case first of Y2, Y3 equal first of Y2 minus epsilon union first of Y3. Okay, so using all these 3 rules you can easily calculate first of a variable for given grammar. Okay, in upcoming video we will see how to apply these 3 rules and how to calculate first of a variable using these rules. Thank you everyone.